Today we're here for our swim pond open day at Court Windermere. Come with me to have a look in.
I'm Lindsay. I work for Ponds by Michael Wheat. I've worked with the company for 11 to 12 years now, so pretty much from the early days. I'm now the general manager of the company, and I also do all the pricing and help design the ponds.
My name's Tim. I'm a sales consultant for Ponds by Michael Wheat. So my job is to go to clients' houses and help them design and ultimately install a swim pond. The client here is a lady called Jacqueline, and she's very kindly agreed that we could bring clients here today. So what we like to do is have an open day and allow clients to actually come and swim in the swim pond, see the clear water, talk to the client about the sort of sales process and the design process.
I've always wanted a swimming pool, and this house is the perfect house to have a swimming pool installation because of its orientation and its flat garden. I wanted it to be near the house, and this is a 1950s house, so reasonably modern, and it was Paul who suggested to me that we should consider a natural swimming pool.